What are the 5 love languages? Everything you need to know. Even though you may show your partner affection frequently, do you really take the time to make sure you're communicating it in the way they want to hear it? When two partners have different love languages, sometimes even the deepest feelings might be misunderstood. What are the 5 main types of love? The 5 love languages are words of affirmation, quality time, getting gifts, serving others, and physical touch. These are 5 different methods to express and receive love. Not everyone expresses love in the same way, and similarly, different people prefer to receive love in different ways. 1. Positive affirmations. Words of affirmation are valued by those who identify them as their preferred method of communication. This includes frequent, I love yous, compliments, expressions of gratitude, verbal encouragement, and frequently occurring digital interactions such as texting and social media use. 2. Exceptional time. When their partner actively wants to spend time with them and is always down to hang out, people who express their love through quality time feel the most cherished. They adore it, especially when the partnership prioritizes active listening, eye contact, and total presence. 3. Services provided. You respect it when your mate goes above and beyond to make your life easier. If acts of service are your partner's love language. When you're unwell, someone might bring you soup, make your coffee in the morning, or pick up your dry cleaning after a long day at the office. 4. Gifts. Gifts are a very simple love language to understand. When someone gives you visual symbols of love, as Chapman puts it, you feel cherished. It is the symbolic meaning underlying the object that matters, not its monetary value. This personality type understands and values the gift-giving process, including the thoughtful consideration, the purposeful selection of the item to symbolize the connection, and the emotional rewards of receiving the gift. 5. Physical contact. People who express their love by physical touch, such as kissing, holding hands, cuddling on the sofa, and having sex, feel loved when they receive these kind of displays of affection. For those who use this love language, physical closeness and touch may be immensely affirming and act as a strong emotional connector. According to Modamedi, the causes can be traced back to our early years, when some people only experienced their parents' intense love and affection through being hugged, kissed, or touched. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.